Hey guys, welcome to another episode of LJ's Garage, and today, since I've been doing a lot of Corvette stuff, I decided I'm going to treat the BMW to a little something nice. So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace this chrome grille because I'm not a huge fan of the chrome. I don't love chrome like that, so these are going to get blacked out. So stay tuned, it's going to look nice, the BMW is going to get treated right.
And this is what they look like. Nice, affordable, cool little mod to do if you're not a huge fan of the chrome like myself.
Step one's going to be to go ahead and pop the hood.
For step 2, all you do is go ahead and remove this weather stripping, grab it from a corner, and it just peels right out. I already had mine removed, but it comes out nice and easy. And they're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And just get those removed and throw those to the side. Once you get those, this will allow you to move this bumper up just a hair. So it'll just a good amount of play in there, and it'll be pretty rough on your hands, but it's going to be enough to just get under there and pull these little tabs out. Before we get into it, just so you can see, there's tabs along the sides of this. So this is what holds the grill in place, and you're going to just be pushing these little tabs down so that you can slide the grill out.
And the key to this is going to be to pull out as you release the tabs so that you can actually keep this from popping right back in place, because this grill is going to want to suck back in. So keeping that pressure will make life a little easier for you. Don't make fun of me because of my headlamp. It's needed. So right now I've got these clips removed. Now I'm just trying to fight with these side ones and these bottom ones. Luckily sometimes you can get in with the bottom ones and pull them up. And just that easy, pops right out.
Now don't get too eager and start putting in the new one yet. I go ahead and while you're here, just clean up that inside, and it'll make it easier to get your hand in here to get this other one out. So go ahead and pop the other side out.
Alright, now easy enough, time to put in the gloss black grills. And as long as you got a good quality product, everything will fit right back into place. And then later on, once you clean the car, you can get the fingerprints off. But I think so far it looks good. That's it. Roll back roll. Thank you guys for checking out this week's episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.